What's up, YouTube? It's Ray. We are back with another video. As you guys can see, I am rocking these lovely passion twists that were super easy to do. So I'm not going to talk too much. Let me go ahead and get started. I am plaiting my hair. I have parted my hair into little boxes and I am plaiting my hair. We're not using any rubber bands for this crochet, for this crochet passion twist install. So after we've got that little plait, you want to braid, I would say like an inch down. We are going to insert the crochet hook. Make sure you open the latch before you insert the crochet hook. Then you're going to take 2 pieces of crochet hair, close the crochet needle and pull it back through. Now, once you pull it back through, you are going to take the crochet hair and your hair or that plait, and you're going to put it through the loop like so. And then you're going to pull it tightly. After you pull it tightly, you're going to open up the hair, make sure everything is really tight and secure because we don't want the crochet hair to come out. Next, you are going to grab the hair, and I leave the plait onto one leg of the crochet hair. I don't split the plait up because I find that it just makes the twist more secure when you leave it just on one leg of the hair like I'm doing. And if you guys can see, I'm taking edge control and I am putting edge control all the way down my hair, on the crochet hair and the passion twist hair as I'm doing this. And this is just going to create some hold and keep the hair nice and tucked away inside of the twist. So now I'm just going to twist all the way down. And y'all, this hair is 22 inches, so in a minute I'm going to speed it up and just talk to you guys some more about the overall style and what I think about this method. So I'm just going to twist all the way down, and you guys, I'm going to show you guys one more time so that you can see, don't worry. But you guys, this method, I found this method on YouTube. I have done passion twists before, but I used the rubber band method. Me personally, I prefer the rubber band method over this method because I just feel like it gives like a more neater look, in my opinion, and a more cohesive look with the braids. Sometimes the braids have a tendency to kind of sneak out, like the top braid part has a tendency to poke out. So if you don't want that braid coming out and you want it to look as cohesive as possible and you don't mind using rubber bands on your hair, I would just do the rubber band method. But this is a good method too. It's very easy, and as well, you don't have to worry about the rubber bands. Now, I do not experience any type of breakage when I do rubber band styles. When I do my box braids, I do the rubber band method, and my last passion twist install was the rubber band method, and I didn't experience any breakage. But to each his own. This method is great as well. And yeah, I'm just going to continue with this next twist. I purchased this hair off of Amazon. It was $34 and it came with 5 packs of crochet hair, a crochet needle, and some hair jewels. It came in 2 days via Prime shipping, so I didn't have to pay for shipping. And I end up using basically 4 packs and a half, maybe not, probably not even a half. So I could have definitely gotten away with using just 4 packs, but some people use a whole lot of hair. Some people, I have seen videos where people get 7 packs and use all 7 packs. So it really just depends on how much hair you put in each twist. I'm only putting 2 pieces in each twist because I don't like a lot of hair on my head. I don't like it to be too heavy, and to me that's just unnecessary. But again, to each his own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For weekly beauty related videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram as well at Raven Sierra, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.